Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I have completed 300 subscribers. So sweet to banta hai? Yes, that's why today I am with a sweet recipe, that is pineapple rava kesari in a restaurant style. Last year I had tasted this dish in Hyderabad airport. It is really delicious and tasty. So from that time I was in search of a perfect recipe for making rava kesari. So now I know the perfect recipe, so sharing with you. So let's get started. The first ingredient needed is rava or suji. The regular rava which we use for making upma, the same I am taking here. So while making rava kesari, measurement is very important. So 1 cup of rava I am taking here. About half a cup of ghee, half a cup of groundnut oil. So the same cup I have taken for measuring all these ingredients. In the same cup I have taken half a cup of ghee and half a cup of oil. So measuring should be very perfect. So I am pouring this oil into a kadhai. Add in the ghee. Let the ghee melt. Flame should be very low. Once the ghee is melted, remove half the portion of this mixture into a cup. About half a cup I am removing, and remaining half let it be in the kadhai. I will use it to roast some cashew nuts. About handful cashew nuts I am taking. So roast it very well. About a handful of raisins or kishmish I am taking. So let it roast till the raisins are bulged. Don't make it golden brown. Now add our rava into this. Remember to keep the flame low to medium because we don't have to change the color of the rava. Always remember to use a thick kadhai for roasting the rava so that our rava is roasted well. So by the time rava get roasted, I will tell you what is this. So morning, about 1/4 cup of boiled milk I had taken in a cup. In that I have added about few strands of kesar. About 2 to 3 pinches of kesar I have added in this, and just closed the lid and kept it for 4 to 5 hours. So after 5 hours we get such orange colored milk. So that we have to add in this. Now add a pinch of salt. Because while making any sweet dish, if you are adding a pinch of salt in it, it elevates the flavor and taste of our sweet dish. It balances everything. Now our rava has roasted very well. Now I am going to add about 1 cup of chopped pineapple. So if you don't want to add pineapple, you can totally skip this step and make normal rava kesari. By the time the pineapple is cooking on a very low flame, let us boil some water for adding into it. So I am taking the same cup, and in this cup, as we had taken 1 cup of rava, so I am taking double the amount of water. So for 1 cup of rava, I have to take 2 cups of water and boil it nicely. Never add cold water in rava kesari. Always add boiled water. Then only the correct consistency we will get. Let the water boil. Now I am going to add about 3/4 cup of sugar into this. So little more than 3/4 I have taken here. If you love more sweetness, you can add equal cup, 1 cup of sugar for 1 cup of rava. So here little less than 1 cup I have taken because it gives the exact sweetness. Already I have added pineapple also, so the sweetness of pineapple also is there. So this much sugar is sufficient. So if you are not adding the pineapple, you can add 1 cup of sugar for 1 cup of rava. Now some cardamom powder. About half a teaspoon of cardamom powder we have to add. The sugar has started melting now. The mixture has become little wet. Now at this time we have to add boiling water into this. The flame should be low. add this water, mix it gently. Now at this time add the kesar milk we had prepared earlier into this, because this gives the exact color to our sweet dish. If you don't have kesar or saffron with you, you can even add orange food color. Now close it with a lid for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we have to add the ghee and oil mixture which we had kept earlier. Give it a mix and close the lid and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can see the oil oozing out from the borders. So this means that our Rava Kesari is perfectly ready. We can try out a scoop test. So see, whenever we are taking it in a scoop, we get such a scoopable consistency. This means our Rava Kesari has become perfect. Now this texture of Rava Kesari remains like this for hours together. If we are making this Rava Kesari in ghee itself, it becomes hard after some time. As we are using groundnut oil in it, it gives a different flavor, as well as the texture remains like this for a longer time period. So our tasty, delicious and healthy Rava Kesari is ready to be served. You can fill it in a bowl like this. Press it with a spoon and just take the serving plate and invert the bowl on that plate and remove the bowl, and you get a perfect pineapple Rava Kesari, which is very tasty and healthy as well. So definitely try it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.